Hello everyone. In this tutorial on PMN Online, we will learn how to upload bulk photos to Google Drive from a computer. In today's digital age, managing your photos efficiently is more important than ever. Whether you're trying to back up cherished memories from a family vacation, share important images with colleagues, or simply free up some space on your device, Google Drive is a versatile tool that can help. It provides an easy and secure way to store your photos in the cloud, making them accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. So, let's dive in and explore how you can effortlessly upload a large number of photos to Google Drive using your computer. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Google Drive homepage. If you aren't logged in yet, you'll need to sign in using your Google account credentials. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the familiar interface of Google Drive. This is your very own online storage hub, where all your files, folders, and photos will be safely stored in the cloud. For today's tutorial, we will be using the Google Drive web app, which is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. It allows you to perform a variety of tasks with ease. Now, direct your attention to the upper left-hand corner of the screen, where you'll see a button labeled New. This button is your gateway to uploading and creating content within Google Drive. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu offers several options, including creating new folders, connecting to other applications, and most importantly for our purpose, uploading files directly from your computer. When you see the menu, click on File Upload. This action will open a window that lets you browse through your computer's files. Here, you can navigate to the folder where your photos are stored. If you have a vast number of photos to upload, you'll want to streamline your selection process. To do this, click on the first photo you wish to upload. Then, press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding down the Shift key, click on the last photo in the range you want to select. This will highlight all photos in between, allowing you to select a continuous sequence of images effortlessly. Once you've selected all the photos you want to upload, go ahead and click the Open button in the window. This will initiate the uploading process. You will notice a progress indicator in the bottom right corner of your screen, which shows you the status of your upload. Google Drive is quite efficient, so depending on your internet speed and the number of photos, the upload should be completed in no time. And there you have it. Your photos are now securely stored in Google Drive, ready to be accessed from any device, anywhere, at any time. Plus, sharing them with friends, family, or colleagues is just a few clicks away. Whether you're organizing personal photos or managing a collection for work, Google Drive offers a reliable solution to ensure your precious images are backed up and secure. Hopefully, this tutorial on PMN Online helped you understand how to upload bulk photos to Google Drive from a computer quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like this one, be sure to subscribe.